Design. The word constitutional is derived from the word constitution. So in this chapter we will study that how was the constitution designed or framed. In this chapter we'll also have a look at the South African constitution and how our Indian constitution has evolved. South Africa, the struggle against apartheid. Nelson Mandela was one of the prominent South African nationalists. Now prominent, that means very popular and important. He idolized Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. So Nelson Mandela idolized him. That means he followed his ideas and views. So Nelson Mandela was imprisoned in 1964 for the accuse of treason. That means the crime of betraying one's country. तो नेल्सन मंडेला पे ये इल्जाम लगाया गया था कि वो देशद्रोही है. Now you must be thinking that if he was a nationalist, so why there was a charge against him? So like in India also, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, these were the national leaders, but they were put behind the bars many times because of false accuses that they are going against the government. But actually all their acts were in favor of the people, but in against the British government. Now, apartheid was the racial discrimination promoted by white government on the basis of skin color. Like Britishers, even in our country, they discriminated people because they were white in color and the others were non-white. So there were three divisions. The white, that means the people in Britain. The black, that means the African natives, and the colored, the other people like Indians who were brought to the country for laboring. So the black and the colored were collectively called as non-whites. White government would have all the resources under their control and did all the things that were beneficial for them, and non-whites would be suffered. So the white people, they were dominating the non-white people and all their resources they had in their control. So whatever decision they would feel like taking, they would have it that were beneficial for them. And who were suffering because of all this? The non-white people were suffering. Now, which were the problems that the non-white people faced? They were forbidden from living in white areas. Forbidden matlab they were not allowed to live in white areas. They cannot work in white area without permit. Like the people, they would have some labor work like plumbing or like something like that. So they were not allowed to work in the white area without the permit, without the permission. Then policy of segregation. Segregation, that means distribution. All the public places were separate for blacks and whites. So like separate public washroom, separate public gardens. So the public places were different for both black and the white people. And even after facing all these injustice, they were not allowed to oppose. They were not allowed to speak against what was going on. A voice was raised by ANC, that is African National Congress, and an umbrella party was formed. Now what is umbrella party? When small parties come together and they are considered as one. So they were formed, but again even they were suppressed. So the next will now be continued in the next part of the video.